What are the benefits of rosemary? Rosemary belongs to the family of honeysuckle called Rosmarinus officinalis, which means sea moisture in Latin. Grows especially in coastal areas, resembles a pine tree with its smell and appearance, purple, white or pink flowers, indispensable in kitchens thanks to its aromatic properties, adds flavor to meat, chicken and fish dishes. Benefits of rosemary tea. Rosemary tea is good for migraine disease. Has a diuretic effect. Facilitates the removal of edema in the body. Carnosol, rosmarinic, betulinic and carnosic acid in rosemary are protective against cancer. Extracts of the plant are effective against skin cancer, leukemia, breast and liver cancer, prostate, bladder, ovarian, colon, lung, and pancreatic cancers. Rosemary acid has an anti-inflammatory effect and has been shown to be effective in the formation of prostaglandins, as in the usual anti-inflammatory. Therefore, rosemary is recommended for people with sensitive or acne-prone skin. Since rosemary extracts contain phenolic compounds, they prevent deterioration in neurons. It is used in the prevention of diseases such as ataxia, dementia, Alzheimer's, and Parkinson's. Rosemary, which dilates the brain vessels and is good for memory problems such as forgetfulness, contains an antioxidant called carnosic acid that helps improve memory. Helps prevent problems with brain function. Carnosic acid fights the beta-amyloid substance that causes Alzheimer's and similar diseases. Rosemary has carminative properties. It is recommended to treat stomach cramps and bloating and to stimulate appetite and the secretion of gastric juices. Useful against headaches and nervous complaints. Relieves muscle aches and joint pains. The rosemary plant contains antioxidants, anti-inflammatories and antimicrobial compounds that provide many benefits to digestive system health. According to a study, a chemical found naturally in rosemary protects the eye from macular degeneration and other eye diseases. It also has anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects that are known to improve eyesight. It is an extremely beneficial plant for cardiovascular health. Rosemary tea also contains antimicrobial compounds that can inhibit the growth of harmful bacteria found in the intestines. These compounds help maintain the natural flora in the intestines and contribute to digestive health. The rosemary plant contains antioxidants, anti-inflammatories and antimicrobial compounds that provide many benefits to digestive system health. Drinking rosemary tea helps relax the mind and body. And this helps you sleep better. University researchers, on the other hand, came to the conclusion that rosemary prevents the brain from aging quickly. Rosemary oil prevents the body from infection and protects against flu. With its antioxidant properties, it undertakes the task of cell renewal in the body. Due to its expectorant effect, it is used in various treatments such as sinusitis and bronchitis. The preparation of rosemary tea is to add 5 grams of dried rosemary leaves to a glass of water, boil for 10 minutes, then strain and drink. Rosemary oil benefits. Provides benefit in regular use on blemished, pimply and acne-prone skin. Rosemary oil, which is frequently recommended for liver patients, is effective in the ideal functioning of liver enzymes. Thanks to its various effects such as carminative and diuretic, it is good for stomach pains. When they massage diluted rosemary oil on their heads, it has been observed that the hair strands thicken. It is necessary to use it regularly to see its effect. has been shown to benefit certain types of hair loss, including male pattern baldness. Rosemary oil also slows down hair graying. Rosemary oil has antimicrobial properties, making it an effective remedy for bad breath. You can use it as a mouthwash by adding a few drops of rosemary oil to the water and shaking it. It not only fights bad breath by killing bacteria, but also prevents plaque buildup, tooth decay, and gingivitis. Rosemary oil prevents acne and acne formation by killing bacteria on the skin. Biberai yagi siltiki guzanakleri temizlayerek silden daha porazuz görünmezin yardımcı olur. Rosemary oil helps reduce the signs of skin aging. Rosemary oil can also be mixed into skin care products. Diluted rosemary oil can be used to repel some blood-sucking insects, especially mosquitoes. Rosemary oil, which contains intense odor, reduces the desire to smoke when smelled by smokers. Rosemary tea side effects. Excessive use may cause pulmonary edema, spasm, vomiting, and coma. Long-term use can cause miscarriage in pregnant women and reduce sperm count in men. If you have a chronic illness or regular medication, do not consume it without consulting your doctor. Rosemary tea can cause epilepsy attacks. It is not recommended for epilepsy patients. It has blood circulation enhancing properties. Can lead to a further rise in blood pressure. Therefore, high blood pressure patients should not drink. Not recommended for people with stomach ulcers. I shared information about the benefits of rosemary. Do not use without consulting your doctor. If you liked my video, don't forget to press the like button, subscribe, and leave a comment. Have a nice day. Take care of yourselves.